Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Unlock the phone with the owner account and ensure you know the device PIN or password. Once done, open Settings and navigate directly to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls or Apps depending on Realme UI version. You do this now because many controls are nested under different headings. Locating the exact menu saves time. Make sure to tap the Digital Wellbeing entry instead of generic parental sections so you can access screen time, app limits, and parental profiles in the next step. Next, remove active restrictions. Disable screen time and any app limits or focus/bedtime settings by toggling them off. If a parental profile or family link account is linked, sign out or remove that profile from family settings. This often removes remote controls. For stubborn entries, go to App's right arrow Special App Access and revoke device admin or usage access for digital well-being or family link services. You may need to force stop and clear cache for those services to allow removal to fully take effect. Finally, uninstall or disable the digital well-being or family link apps if the system allows. Otherwise, clear data and revoke permissions so they stop enforcing limits. Reboot the phone and test by opening previously restricted apps to confirm removal. If controls persist, sign into the device owner's Google account on a computer, open Family Link, and remove the child account or reset permissions. This step resolves remotely applied blocks. Tip: if you can't change admin rights, boot into safe mode to remove third-party parental apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.